A jump ball between De Leon and Liwanag. Nakuha ng Trooper, isang bola, Dalistan, basket. De La Cruz, pass to Liwanag. Galvez. No good. Rebound by Dalistan to Labido. Intercept by Galvez. Second wet pass. Impede. De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Liwanag. Dugan para foul. Committed by number 4, De Leon. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 charity shots given to Liwanag. First shot by Liwanag, no good. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by De Leon. "15 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Labido. Labido to Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Galvez. Basket by Galvez. Foul committed by Laba.
Hindi nasasayang eh. Ano nangyari sa una? Ano nangyari? Ito na yung huling bigay ko sa'yo. Didikit yan sa phone, hindi yan didikit kung saan-saan. Nasasayang.
Santiago pass to Dalistan. Intercept by De La Cruz. Intercept by De Leon. Intercept by Galvez. Galvez. Gono, 3 points. Labido. Labido pass to De Leon. Back to Labido. 15 seconds to shoot. Kicking the ball, substitution. Salvador out, Morelos in. Inbound by De Leon to Labido.
Binigyan na kita, di ba?
Violation.
Oo, last na to ha, di na kita bibigyan. Wala na.
Inbound by Gono to De La Cruz. 7 minutes and 45 seconds left. "50 seconds to shoot. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Galvez. Inbound by Dalistan to Labido. De Leon to Santiago. 15 seconds to shoot. De Leon 3-point shot. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 10, Laba. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution ref. Laba, number 10 out. Ricoberto in. Three charity shots given to number 4, De Leon. First shot, no good. Second shot, No good again. Last shot by De Leon. No good again. Rebound by Gono. Gono pass to De La Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. Gono. Basket by Gono. Inbound by Morelos to Labido. No good. Liwanag pass to intercept by Labido to Santiago. Basket by Santiago. Official score natin 9-4. 5 points lead by Libo. 6 minutes and 22 seconds left. Gono 3-point shot. Gono 3 points. Inbound by De Leon. Basket by Santiago. Gono, 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Labido. Intercept by Gono. Gono, pass to Liwana. Basket. Timeout. Troopers, oras natin, 5 minutes and 43 seconds left. Back to the ball game, oras natin, 5 minutes and 43 seconds left. Santiago pass to Yanto. Basket. A traveling violation by Galvez. Inbound by Santiago to Yanto. No good. Lava. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation, black ball. Galvez, basket. Yanto to Morelos. Nakakuha ng foul. Committed by number 42, Gono. Gono first, personal foul, 13 foul. De La Cruz to Rigoberto. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 29, Lava. Lava first, personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 33 seconds left for our first quarter. Charity shots given to number 1, Rigoberto. First shot by Rigoberto, basket. Second shot, no good. Official score natin, 17-8 in favor of Libo. Intercept by Galvez. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by Galvez. Lava to Funelas, to Yanto. Pass to Santiago, 3-point shot. No good, rebound by Funelas. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 1, Rigoberto. Rigoberto first, personal foul. Warning for penalty, Libo. Charity shots given to number 6, Punelas. Per shot, basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Morelos, no good. De La Cruz pass to Liwanag. Intercept by Yanto. A traveling violation by Yanto. Ricoperto, a 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Yanto. Intercept by Ricoperto, no good. $15 seconds to shoot. Yanto to Punelas. Pass to Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul committed by number 4, Galvez. Substitution rep number 1, Morelos out. De Los Reyes in. Galvez personal foul penalty. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 5 seconds left. Sabre. Number 29, Liwanag out. De Lara in. First shot by Lava, no good. Second shot, no good again. Gono to Galvez, 3-point shot attempt. Galvez, 3 points. Inbound by Santiago to Yanto. A traveling violation by Santiago. Official score natin 22-9 in favor of Libo. Substitution na. Punelas out. Maraño in. Oras natin 2 minutes and 42 seconds left. Inbound by Ricoperto to De Lara. Same ball.
Last na to ha. Ayan, ayan.
Substitution rep.
Ano yung isa? Akin yung isa.
Number 4 out. Concepcion in. Yan kasi nakasmiley.
Uy, di pala ka. Ayoko na.
Same ball. $17 seconds to shoot. Gono. Gono, 3-point shot. No good. Yanto. Basket by Yanto. Intercept by Yanto. Foul committed by number 29. Substitution rep. No good. Foul committed by number 1, Ricoperto. Ricoperto, second personal foul, penalty. First shot by Marano, basket. Second shot, basket and substitution there. Santiago out, Labido in. Foul committed by number 9, Yanto. Yanto first personal foul, 13 foul. Oras natin, 1 minute and 38 seconds left. Inbound by Gono to Ricoperto. Intercept by Lapido. "15 seconds to shoot. Lapido. Black ball. Basket by Concepcion. Basket by Galistan. Official score natin 24-15 in favor of Liborian. Gono, no good but a foul committed by number 8, Maranyo. Maranyo first personal foul, warning for penalty. Oras natin 50 seconds left. First shot by Gono, basket. Second shot, no good. Official score natin 25-15 in favor of Liborian. "40 seconds left. Yanto. 15 seconds to shoot. De Los Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Ricoperto. 25 seconds left. Gono. 15 seconds left. No good. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Basket. At siyang po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter sa score na 27-15 in favor of Liborian. Basket by Galvez. Yanto to Lapido. Back to Yanto. 15 seconds to shoot. Santiago. Santiago 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Galvez. Basket by Galvez. No good. Rebound by Galvez. Foul committed by number 9, Yanto. Yanto second personal foul, first team foul, substitution. Yanto out, Funelas in. Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. by Concepcion, the smiling face. Official score natin, 33-15 in favor of Liborian. Santiago to Labido. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Concepcion to Laba. Labido to Santiago. 15 seconds to shoot. De Leon. No good. Galvez. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 4, De Leon. De Leon, second personal foul. Second team foul. Charity shots, give it to number 4, Galvez. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Pushing foul. Committed by number 4, De Leon, third personal foul. Third team foul, substitution ref. De Leon out. Morelos in. No good. No good. Rebound by Cornelas to Labido. Blocking foul. Committed by number 0, Cruz. Cruz first personal foul. First team foul. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 34 seconds left. Inbound by Labido to Funelas. Funelas pass to Santiago, 3-point shot. No good. Foul committed by number 19. The latter first personal foul, second team foul. Funelas. 10 seconds to shoot. Morelos. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 10, Lamba. Lamba third personal foul, third team foul. Charity shots, give it to number 1, Morelos. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket. $15 seconds to shoot. Cruz. No good. A line violation. Substitution ref. Balistan out, Salvador in. Blue ball. Punelas, 3-point shot. Punelas, 3 points. Official score natin, 33-19. A double dribble violation. Timeout, Liborian. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 13 seconds left. Official score 33-19 in favor of Liborian. Punelas, 3-point shot. Inbound by Santiago to Punelas. 15 seconds to shoot. Salvador to Punelas. Intercept by Cruz. No good. Pushing foul committed by number 0, Cruz. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Libo. Official score natin, 33-22.
11-point lead by Libo.
Substitution rep. Sino? Lapido out. Yanto in. Inbound by Galvez to number 0, Cruz. Delara. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Basket by Santiago. Foul committed by number 6. Substitution. Number 0, Cruz out. De La Cruz in. Inbound by Gono to Lava. Gono, 3-point shot. Gono, 3 points. Official score natin, 36-26. 10 points lead by Libo. Punelas to Santiago. Back to Punelas. No good. Rebound by Gono. No good. Rebound by Salvador to Yanto. 15 seconds to shoot. Punelas. Punelas. 3 points. Inbound by Galvez to De La Cruz.
Score 36-29.
Galvez to Lava. Basket. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left.
38-29. 9-point lead by Libo.
Punelas pass to Yanto to Santiago. 15 seconds to shoot. Morelos. No good. Rebound by Galvez. Gono. No good. Rebound by Morelos to Punelas. 3 minutes exactly, time remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, black ball. Lava, 3 points. Punelas to Yanto. Ten seconds to shoot. Intercept by Gono. Basket by Gono. Santiago to Punelas. Last 2 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Gono. shoot. Lava. No good. Rebound by Punelas. 15 seconds to shoot. Ianto. 10 seconds to shoot. Morelos to Punelas. No good. Delara pass to De La Cruz to Gono. 15 seconds to shoot. Gono 3-point shot. Gono 3 points. Timeout. Bloopers. Oras natin 1 minute and 8 seconds left. Official score natin 46-29 in favor of Libo. Inbound by Dalistan to Punelas. No good. .48 seconds left. Gono. Intercept by Yato. Basket by Yato. 35 seconds left. Rigoberto. 3 seconds, violation, blue ball. Oras natin, 19 seconds left. Punelas. 10 seconds left. Punelas, 3-point shot, no good. At dyan balik tayo po sa ating second quarter. Sa score na 46-31 in favor of Liborian. Yanto back to Maraño. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Foul. Committed by number 9, Yanto. Yanto third personal foul, first team foul. Inbound by Cruz to De La Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Maraño. Maraño pass to number 13, Lapido. Back to Maraño, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Rigoberto to Cruz. Intercept by Lapido. Basket by Lapido. Inbound by Liwanag to Cruz. Liwanag pass to Concepcion, 15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by De Leon to Lapido. 15 seconds to shoot. De Leon. Foul. Committed by number 29, Liwanag. Liwanag first, personal foul. First team foul. Inbound by Maraño to Lapido. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Intercept. Labido. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul committed by number. Substitution rep. Number 1 ang black out. Number 25 ng black out. Concepcion ng black out. Gono, Lava, Delarain. Concepcion first personal foul, second team foul. Charity shots given to number 4, De Leon. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Liwanag. Liwanag pass to Del Lara. Foul committed by number 19, De Los Reyes. First personal foul, second team foul. Inbound by Gono. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Intercept by Gono to Liwanag. Gono, no good. Rebound by De Leon to Maraño. $15 seconds to shoot, no good. Substitution, De Los Reyes out, Santiago in. Liwanag out, Galvez in. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 10 seconds left. $15 seconds to shoot. Ianto, 4-3, no good. $15 seconds to shoot. No good. No good. Rebound by De Leon. $15 seconds to shoot. Santiago 4-3. No good. Blackmore. Seconds to shoot. Galvez. No good. Follow up. No good. No good. Rebound by Santiago. $15 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Santiago to Lapido. Substitution ref. Timeout, Troopers. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 19 seconds left. Official score natin, 46-33 in favor of Liborian. $15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Gono. Gono, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Lapido. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Follow up. No good, but a foul. Committed by number 42. Gone a second personal foul. Third team foul. Charity shots given to number 4, De Leon. First shot by De Leon. Basket. Second shot. Basket again. Official score natin. 46-35 in favor of Liborian. 15 seconds to shoot. Galvez. Basket by Galvez. De La Cruz to Rigoberto. 15 seconds to shoot. Gono. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Black ball. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 52 seconds left. Official score natin, 48-35 in favor of Liborian.
They only have one ball. OMG.
No good. Santiago. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Galvez. $15 seconds to shoot. Gono. Basket by De Lara. Punelas to Santiago, back to Punelas. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Gono. De Lara, basket. $15 seconds to shoot. Punelas. Punelas pass to Rabido. Back to Punelas. 10 seconds to shoot. Punelas, 3 points. Inbound by Galvez to Gono. Last 2 minutes for our third quarter. Gono, 15 seconds to shoot. Basket by Gono. Punelas pass to Santiago. Santiago 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Rigoberto. Rigoberto pass to Galvez. No good. Rebound by Punelas. 1 minute and 25 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Santiago to Punelas. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by De Lara. Inercia by Lavido to Santiago. No good. Rebound by Rigoberto. 54 seconds left. Rigoberto. Intercept by Lava. Intercept by Galvez. Galvez, pass to Gono, back to Galvez. No good. 30 seconds left. 50 seconds to shoot. De Leon. No good. 18 seconds left. Gono. No good. Basket by Gono. 8 seconds left. Nandiyan pa rin talabos ng ating third quarter. So score na 56-38 in favor of Liborian. Foul committed by Concepcion. Concepcion second personal foul, first team foul. Charity shots given to number 9, Ianto. First shot by Ianto, no good. Second shot, basket. Official score natin, 56-39 in favor of Liborian. Cruz, pass to Liwanag, back to Cruz. No good. A traveling violation. Foul committed by number 10, Lava. Lava warning for fouled out. Second team foul. Santiago, no good. Rebound by Concepcion to Liwanag. Pass break to Lava. Lava to number 77, Concepcion. A traveling violation by Concepcion. De Los Reyes, 3 points. Intercept by De Los Reyes. Basket by De Los Reyes. Time out, Liborian. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 25 seconds left.
Nice one, De Los Reyes. 5 points in a row. Grabe. Nice. Yun yung nagpabilib sa akin na tira ngayon. Gabi. In less than 15 seconds, 5 points.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 25 seconds left. Official score 56-44 in favor of Liborian.
12-point lead by Libo.
Cruz, pass to Delara, back to Cruz. Liwanag. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Galvez. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket by Delara. Ianto to Santiago. No good. Rebound by Liwanag. Galvez, pass to Cruz. 3-point shot. Fiort. Galvez. Basket. Basket by Yanto. 7 minutes and 18 seconds left. Foul committed by number 19. Substitution ref. Morelos out. Salvador in. De Los Reyes second personal foul. First team foul. A line violation by De Los Reyes, black ball. Inbound by Galvez to Cruz. "15 seconds to shoot, Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Follow up, no good, but a foul. Committed again by number 19, De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes third personal foul, second team foul. Charity shots given to Galvez, per shot no good. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 20 seconds left. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by Galvez. Basket by Galvez. Santiago to Yanto, back to Santiago. Santiago 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Salvador. Basket by Yanto. 5 minutes and 50 seconds left. Official score natin, 62-48 in favor of Liborian. Limuanag, no good. No good. Galvez. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Foul committed by number 42. Substitution ref. Dalistan out. Funelas in. Gone to third personal foul. Third team foul. Oras natin 5 minutes and 23 seconds left. Intercept by Liwanag. Liwanag pass to Gono. No good. Rebound by Funelas. Funelas 3-point shot. Funelas 3 points. 5 minutes exactly. Time remaining. Intercept by Santiago. No good. Rebound by Liwanag. No good, but a foul committed by number 29, Liwanag. Substitution ref, Cruz out, Ricoberto in. Sino pa? Timeout, Liborian. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 38 seconds left. Official score natin, 62-51. Back to the ball game. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 38 seconds left for our fourth and final quarter. First shot by De Los Reyes, basket.
The lead is down to 10 points by Liborian.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by De Lara to Galvez. Galvez, pass to Lava. Basket by Lava. Santiago pass to number 6, Bonella, 3-point shot, no good. Jump ball possession po ng Troopers. No good, follow-up, basket by Salvador. 4 minutes exactly, time remaining, official score natin, 64-54, 10 points lead by Libo. Intercept by Gono. Lava, basket. No good. Yanko, basket. Intercept by De Los Reyes to Yanko. Back to De Los Reyes. Intercept by Gono. Intercept by Santiago. De Los Reyes. Foul committed by number 42, Gono. Gono warning for foul count. Penalty. Official score natin, 66-56. First shot, no good. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 20 seconds left. Second shot, no good again. No good. Black ball. Inbound by Rigoberto. Lava pass to Galvez. Galvez to Gono. 15 seconds to shoot. A traveling violation. De Los Reyes, 3-point shot. No good. Rebound by Galvez. Intercept by Salvador to De Los Reyes. Basket foul by De Los Reyes. Plus a foul. Committed by number 4, Galvez. Penalty. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 51 seconds left. Bonus shot given to number 19, De Los Reyes. A traveling violation.
Naubo ako dun ah.
Technical given to number 42, Gono.
Naubo ako.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Don't test the lady referee.
Santiago Tianto. Three seconds violation. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 34 seconds left. No good but a foul. Committed by number 20, Salvador. Substitute for that. Salvador out, De Leon in. Salvador first, personal foul. 13 foul. Charity shots given to number 19, Delara. First shot, no good.